Que rollo con el Majority Seekers, welcome back to a brand new video. So before we even start the video, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Yitamotor. I know you guys already know that company because why? They hooked it up with some floor mats on my green truck and some running boards. The bad part was that the running boards did not fit my truck, so they went ahead and sent me some new ones. So let's go ahead and open them up. Oh, also they sent me this. I have a very hard time. Go a little bit closer. I have a hard time pronouncing this word. Let's see, matter of fact, let's go on, ¿cómo se dice?
Google.
On Google.
The world of coffee is about to...
Also, behind the camera, the return of Chulo. My boy Chulo is back real quick. I'm sorry we got off topic. Left the no viejo.
I'm back, guys. Feels good to be back in Cali.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I know you guys missed me, but I'm back. And we're gonna be videos with my boy Jerry.
Vienes con todo menos miedo, ¿verdad?
Simón, vamos a darle ahora sí con todo.
Arre, pues, viejo. Yitamotor. This is the word I can't pronounce. Can you pronounce it, Chulo?
Yitamotor.
No, this.
Oh, no, I can't.
No? Let me see. I'm really going to Google Translate real quick. Sorry, guys. I wasn't prepared for this. For this video.
Tonneau.
Tonneau?
Tonneau.
Tonneau cover? Is that how you say it?
Yeah, Tonneau cover.
Tonneau cover, I guess. That's a weird word. But yeah, they sent me this cover for my green truck. So the thing is, guys, also I forgot to mention. I don't know if I ever mentioned it in the video or not. But this truck right here, it had a little golpecito right here on the tailgate. Once my trailer was detached and I backed up too much, and the trailer was pretty high and it hit it, I left it then on the tailgate and then also in the front. Check it out. And then the front of this bumper, also it had you guys saw right here in the corner. Well, you guys saw the video. We were out in Vegas, and one of the guys out there, he backed up into me, and he rolled back on me. It was a stick shift car, and he hit it. So shout out to my boys from Las Vegas, the painters. They went ahead and they took it off and the tailgate too, and they're gonna leave those flawless, no dents, and they're gonna go ahead and paint them again. Why? Because I want my trucks looking A1, and two, because the giveaway still is going on. So if you guys have not got your entry, make sure you get your entries in. The link to my website is down below. Buy a sticker, $30, and get entered to win any of my 7 trucks, my Can-Am, or $20,000 cash. Yes, we bumped up the cash prize. It was $15,000. Now it's $20,000. So I don't want you guys to think that I'm trying to give you guys trash, or I'm gonna give you a beat up truck. So that's why we're getting those little dents fixed. So meanwhile, the parts are in Las Vegas getting fixed. I felt like the truck looks ugly. I feel like the truck looks ugly like that. So that's why. Shout out to Yitamotor. Got in contact with them and I ordered that cover. So it's gonna go on top of here. I feel like it's gonna look a little bit nicer. And then also I can actually put stuff in the back without it flying away. So let's go ahead and I've never installed anything like this before. So let's go ahead and just install it. Alright guys, so here we are installing it. It's pretty easy. All we really had to do was just put the rail. It's not even glued on or anything. What I like, I didn't even get to show you guys. It came with some foam. Let me show you guys. This is the extra foam that it came with. This is extra foam. We put some at the bottom, and the rail already comes with more foam, so that you don't really scratch your truck. There's a beat. I wasn't too worried about it because my truck already comes with this black thing for protection. I would have used more foam if it came to putting it on that truck, for example, because that one could get scratched, for example, you know. But this one, like I said, it comes with the black protection, so we are good. And another thing that I do like is that it comes with just like these clamps, so you don't have to drill no holes in your truck or anything like that, because I do not like that. You know, I don't like making holes or even putting screws in my trucks. So like all you really do is just put this thingy-majigger at the bottom, and then it goes here, and then this thing will grip it by itself. And then all you do is just tighten it. You tighten it with this little I'm messing up. You just tighten it with this whatever this black thing is. See? So easy. You just tighten it as hard as you want. The harder the better, because I know, don't start with your dirty comments. Tighten it with your heart. The harder the better because you don't want it to fly away. And then after that, we should just, just throw it over. And it does come with little, what is this called, Chulo?
Velcro.
That's what it's called?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. I would have never knew. You learn something new every day, right?
Yep.
What have you learned today?
How to fucking build this shit? Cause
there you go. You learn something new every day. So now we tighten it. And it comes with 6. It came with 6, which is perfect. So I did one in the front, one in the back, más o menos. And then another one por la middle. It should be around here. Just like this, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to mi compa Chulo. We didn't really record too much because I needed 2 hands for this, so I needed Chulo, so we didn't have another camera person. Lalo's not here today.
Day off.
So yeah. So basically we already added 3. That one has 1, and I'm gonna put the other 2, and then I'll turn on the camera. Alright, so as you guys can see, we got 6 clamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are ready to unroll it. It wasn't too hard to install. We did it in about like 10 minutes. Also, it does come with this LED light. So it is missing. It doesn't come with lights though. I mean, lights,
batteries.
Batteries. So you good thing we have some brand new ones. It takes 3 double AAA. Boom. Except it's daytime. You guys can't really see, but it's on. You just click it too, so it's push. Where to install this? Good question. I say one in the front or on the side maybe? Or
Yeah, I think on the side right there.
On the side?
Bright shit only.
Bright shit only? And it does come with 3D.
Double-sided tape. What do you mean 3D tape?
¿So dónde, viejo? ¿Aquí?
Like right here?
Aquí era. Ahorita, pues así está, en caliente. Las cosas hacen en caliente. Just like that. So now it's time to unroll it. A ver, Chulo, if you can help me. Por ahí. Por ahí, así. Dale. Like that. Perfect, Chulo. I know we need 2 hands. And then right here in the back, it does come with this thing right here. It clips onto this. I don't really know what it's called. Let's look at this butt. There you go, and you hit it a little bit here. So it locks. Oh. Like that. There you go. Super hard on there. And then to unlatch it, it does come with a little latch here. Put it down. Comes off.
And bam.
Just like that. Boom. So it does look a little bit funny because we're missing the tailgate, but I think it helped it look a little bit better. Now it's now open, and then also we can collect our cans out. It won't fly away. So that's that. And then also I don't have my gray truck right now because it's Easter. So we're gonna go ahead and install the running boards probably tomorrow. But we're gonna continue the vlog here. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of how we spend Easter. So stay tuned. So ya llegamos al parque. No grabé, bajamos las cosas. And I came to the store, me mandaron de mandadero a comprar unas chelitas, me olvidó, y unos jugos. Nos mandaron a comprar costillas de res no marinated, 2 libras. Voy a grabar un video de YouTube, oigan. Ándate. Sí, de youtubero. Una bonita chelita. Here. We can't get each other, babe. Bravo, que siga la revolución.
Abigail, no, don't pull her hair.
I got you.
Get one, Angel.
Hey, he got me, Jerry.
Come on.
Got my glasses. Where did they go?
Careful. Van a salir enojadas.
Yo le digo, ahorita como tres todavía no paran.
Who wants to play a game for Who wants to play a game for money? Voy a hacer un juego. Mira, mira.
Que nos dé computazo a la misma vez. Voy así computazo. Aunque le dé los dos.
Let's go. Oh, fuck. That's what happens when you run out of freaking eggs. You just start smacking each other. I believe that's another second violence. That's violence. That's not even game.
Correte en Jerry, correte en Jerry.
The first girl that cracks into my head, I'll give you $20. Ooh. Yeah, anybody.
Es que si lo quiebra le da $20.
Abigail, crack it on your uncle's head. Go. I can't breathe no more.
No manches.
Mom, si se lo quiebra la cabeza, le da 20 dólares. I was close. Ya se lo quebré. Ya ahorita. Yeah. I cracked him a pink one. He even hurt me.
So yesterday was a very, very fun day. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far, but let's get back to work and let's open up the second package, which are the running boards from Yitamotor. So, as I mentioned, they had already sent some, but no pasa nada, we got some new ones. And I lost my my knife. Oh, I didn't lose it, but I'm too lazy to go upstairs and go get it. So, we're using somebody's scissors. But you know what? I think we're gonna have to go get the knife because these scissors are medias piratas. ¿O no, mi chulo?
Simón, váyase y tráigase un cuchillo de la cocina mejor.
Porque tiene mi jefita, ¿no?
Simón.
Entonces, sí, tranquilo.
Oh, a huevo.
¿Dónde está, loco? No se me acelere. Sacas a good minute, but we did it. I think we did. No. Oh, yeah. Grábale, mi compa chuletas. Tarán. No, pues no quiere. There we go. Easy. Trash. Badass packaging. Brackets. Trash. Instructions. All we need is a 13 socket, a ratchet, a torque wrench. Easy. Okay, so beautiful. Let's go ahead and open this up and let's see the actual running boards themselves. Oh snap! They're just There we go.
Sheesh.
You're gonna look down on the mama whiskers or not?
Simón,
¿Sí, verdad?
para que se suban las cariñosas.
¿Sabes?
No las tengan que cargar.
¿Se escuchó? Y luego estamos flaquitos tú y yo. This is the driver's side. Remember that, chulo? Estamos flaquitos tú y yo, so. Si están pesaditas las cariñosas, ¿no?
Simón, me hace falta más.
Al compa Lalo, a ver si nos ocupa estos. Damn.
Oh, ese güey los va a doblar.
These are beautiful. Look at this. Bad as hell. Yitamotor plaque and everything. So, yeah, so there should be 1, 2, 3 brackets. And as I mentioned, the brackets are in here. Perfect. I'm so smart. I'm glad my teachers taught me how to count. 1, 2, 3. So it should be very easy to install. So let's just get straight to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we just got the first running board on. It wasn't too hard as long as you follow the user manual. It tells you step by step, and there is only a total of 4 steps. I mean, it's pretty common sense. It does come with a lot of screws, a lot of washers, which is really, really great because you want this thing secure. See? So, and everything comes numbered. 2, 3, 1, 5. So you know exactly what you're doing. So like I said, we just finished mounting this one on. We're gonna go ahead and put the driver's side, and that should be a wrap. All right, guys, so this is the side that we just did, and it looks really, really good. I like the black and the gray theme. So, and the truck is lifted, so I think this is actually perfect. And now shout out to the boys who pulled up and are helping me on this side. ¿Cómo andan, primo? ¿Se va quedando? Perfect, so beautiful. So there it is. Looks amazing. Remember, the links are going to be down below in the description if you guys are interested in getting some of these badass running boards by Yitamotor. Guys, so right after we installed those running boards, guys, so right after we installed those running boards, we decided to come have a boys' night out on a nice, beautiful Monday right after Easter. We are going to the city of Ontario, California at Top Golf. It's the last day that my compa Israel, he came for the, ya ni les dije, pero he came again for the California Truck and Racing Show, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Y lo dejó el avión, his flight was supposedly Easter, right? Easter? And lo dejó el avión till Tuesday, which is tomorrow, so he's still with us. We're gonna go play, and then we have the compa Tino and Chris still with us, so let's go. Oh, and then we also compa Lalo's in there with, ¿cómo is in there, with Benito Juarez. Thank you. So we just signed in, and our wait time is currently 30 minutes to an hour. We messed up, we should have done a reservation, but it's cool because look what they got. Fumulito, or what is it called? Fumulito, me and my boy Tino are gonna run a 1v1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one to 5 points, just get it. How do we do it? Me or you? Vámonos, Emilio.
Oh, shit.
I just made my own. That was a nice one, I'm not gonna lie. That was a really, really nice one. Oh, I messed up. Fine. What the hell? I'm going on myself. don't want to win. Go, go, baby, go. Woo. I don't know what the hell los viejones se prenden muy bien. Un juego de chinos, ¿no? Estos somos de chinos, creo que entiendo, bro. It's just sliding to back and forth. I just strengthened the whole time. So we're waiting for a time. Adelante, guardado. ¡Qué rico! ¡Qué tango el chulo! ¡Ahí está! Compañito Junior, dale. Güey, hey Jerry, cambio de portero, güey. Cambio de portero, mete al Lalo. Esta foto de la portería. So we just got settled in. Check it out, we got a nice VIP. We had to pay for the extra VIP little sofa booth because we want to be on chairs. We're gonna get some chairs going right now with some comida, right or no? ¿Qué es lo que hay? Compañito, the first one going. Hey, but can you know how this works? You know how this works? You know how to play?
Well, guess what? Today you're gonna learn how to play.
So very easy, you just grab a stick with 5 points.
The further the better.
So, now let's see what Benito's brother has. Compa Edgar. Yeah, one of the water, fool.
Hey, let's go to beat it up there, man.
Oh, you could have got it. Bro. You're next. You're next, man. Eduardo Martinez.
Oh, that's why he's taking over.
He's taking over. Taking over, man. Ahí viene el mamá. ¿Qué? Tú te metiste la mano al piso.
You put it right there, yeah.
Dale gas.
I love it.
Al mamá. Nothing that What's up? That's the end of the park, loco. We're trying to make it in the hole. Axel, dale.
I gotta find a better one. Todo depende del palo.
It tells you someone to show up and someone to... Axel, you have to pick up the head. Hey, see what's up with
And then
Whose turn is it?
Axel, how do you hand?
That way my table's almost ready. That way. There's a lefty that way.
Ahí venía. Vamos loco porque si te meto un palazo, no me da esperanza. Go try to hit him hard. No, because you have to tell the lady to bring you one. You lefty?
Yeah.
O si no, quite. Ya dale una ya está ahí una vez. Oh, no, you have to go. You have to go. Just don't, no te vas a caer, güey, nomás. Excuse me? Dale.
I'm gonna go ask her.
No. Oh, no. Chris, you're next. Who's next?
Compa Chris.
You know who's winning? Hey, Chris. Who's winning? My BJ.
Aguas, güey. Aguas porque te van a pegar, güey. Hey, no.
Number 6, you're number 6, huh? Yeah, number 6. Come on, I know you remember. A ver el presidente. What country you guys bring? La puedes mandar
Güey, vete para acá, güey.
We're looking for the fucking
Hazte
car.
para acá.
Yeah, just forget down, you know how to do it. But right now he's sucking. Alright guys, so that has been all of us. So far, only we need to score. We'll keep you guys updated in a bit. Alright, thank you. Ahora mi compa Chuy, para que digas que no te quiero, loco. Más que tu mío.
Mira, pendejo.
Es tuyo. Vamos.
Y nomás, raza. ¿Cómo comemos?
Comemos bien.
Enséñale, Benito, el lonchezón.
¿Van a querer zanahorias o no?
Sí, aguantan esto. ¿Y cabbage?
Dos zanahorias siempre.
No, le dieron este pinche tiro a la verga.
Dale gas, viejo.
No. No.
Oh, fuck.
Me vale. A comer. Oh. So ladies and gentlemen, check it out. The hour has pretty much finished. There's only 50 seconds left.
Déjate, a mí me boto yo para abajo la verga.
So check it out. First was Christopher Columbus, 70 points. Show them right here, no te me quedes pegado. Second was BJ right here. Oh yeah, all
Benito
time
Juárez.
winning, and they tied up. Oh, Axel still had a ball. Yeah, go. No, ya no pudo. Todo con todo. So check it out. So my boy Axel got tied up with Benito, 55 points. Aquí loco, no te me quedes pegado. 53, I got 4th place. Edgar got 46.
Edgar
And
Cuts.
the compa Lalo over there got 12 points. So ladies and gentlemen, that has been it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down your guys' opinion on today's video. And you need to channel, become a majority, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.